understand the question number 6, that is, a particle velocity decreases by a factor 2 after every t seconds. If the initial speed of the particle is v, then find the total distance covered before coming to rest. See, understanding the question plays key role in solving numericals in physics. So here if you understand the question is related to motion in one dimension. Now, concept is, so particle velocity decreases by a factor 2 after every t seconds. If the initial speed of the particle is v, then find the total distance covered before coming to rest. So the concept is uniform motion, because the particle is moving for certain time t with constant velocity, then decreases by a factor, then it will continue to move with the same velocity. So the velocity decreases after every t seconds. So during the t seconds it travels with the same constant velocity. So if it is moving with constant velocity, what concept we call it as? Uniform motion. So in case of uniform motion, the displacement equal to velocity into time. So here, role of mathematics. What role? Here, geometric progression. What? Geometric progression, that to infinite series. Let's see. So let's say initial velocity, of course they have given. Initial velocity, how much they have given? V. Now after t time, the velocity will become v by 2. So decreases by a factor how much? V by 2. Decreases by a factor 2. So it will become v by 2. Then after 2t time, then it will become v by 4. So on. That means velocity keep on decreasing like v, then v by 2, then v by 4, then v by 8, then v by 16, so on. Now the distances covered are like s1 plus s2 plus so on, where s1 is the distance covered with a speed v for how much time? T time. So v into t plus s2 is distance covered in time t with speed v by 2. So v by 2 into t plus. Next s3, that is the distance covered in t time with v by 4. So v by 4 into t. Next v by 8 into t plus so on up to infinity. So that if you take vt common, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus so on up to infinity. Now here a plus ar plus so on. So what is the common factor here? 1 by 2. So remind the GP formula, a plus ar square plus up to infinity equal to a by 1 minus r. Similarly here vt into 1 by the first term a is 1 by 1 minus r 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2. So 2 vt. So what is the total distance covered? 2 vt. So this is the way you can understand the importance of mathematics. What mathematics we used? Geometric progression, infinite series. So always understand the question, take the what chapter it is related to, what concept it is related to, what formula is required, what physics formula and what mathematics formula. Then try to combine both of them to get the proper result. Thank you.